Hello students, I hope you all are fit and healthy. So welcome to EVS class. Today we are going to start the topic eating together. Eating together in a family. Eating together in a family creates a bond among the members of the family. Bond means relationship. It brings family members closer to one another. It is while eating together that we share our experiences, thoughts, and ideas with our family members. Means when we sit at the same table, we share our ideas and hold a work with our family members. In this way, we closer to our family members. Eating together on special occasions. We usually get together with our relatives and friends on special occasions like festivals, wedding and birthday. Special dishes are cooked on these occasions. Means on special occasion, special dishes were cooked. We engage special cooks called halwais. You all know very well who are halwais. To make special food for us means on special occasions, special cooks halwais make special food for us. They prepare food in large vessels. The food is placed in serving bowls and served in good crockery. After making the food, they serve in crockery and bowls, and after that we take the food and eat in good crockery. Eating together on such occasions bring a lot of joy and happiness to all of us. It creates a feeling of oneness among our family members, relatives, and friends. It means when we eat together and we get together, we bring lots of joy and happiness, and we enjoy lot with our family members, relatives, and friends. Eating together in a community. Community means a group or group of people. When a large number of people eat together at the special place, the activity is called community eating. People often gather together in gurdwaras to eat the same food. Food is prepared in large quantities in a common kitchen or langar and served to the people free of charge. Means at the same place at Gurdwara Sahib, all the people get together and eat the same food and free of charge. No one take the charge of any food. The Gurdwara Sahib. People sit together on the floor and have the same food at the time. The Langar Prasad consists of dal, roti, vegetable salad and sweet dish, right? It means we get so many dishes in Langar. Many people consider working in the common kitchen or serving food to the people as a seva or service to humankind. It means when any person work in the Gurdwara Sahib and in Langar, it means what we called seva. Eating together in school. Nowadays, most of the government school in our country provide midday meal to the student. Midday meal means the food we get or student get at noon. As you know, many children in our country do not get even one full meal a day. These children cannot study properly because they do not get a proper meal. It means in the country so many students are there, they don't have the full meal a day. If you don't eat food, you are not able to study properly. A few years ago, the Supreme Court means highest court of the country, gave the order that all government run primary schools must provide their students with hot cooked food. Highest court of the country give the order to all the government school. It means all the government school provide the food to the students. Before the midday meals start, the teachers see that the children wash their hands properly, then they sit an orderly manner and wait for the food to be served. A variety of food is served, not only one thing, so many things and so many varieties are there in the food. Sometimes students have vegetable and chapati or aloo puri, sometimes dal rice, and sometimes idli. Every day, the teacher ensures that the children change their place. This gives the children the opportunity to make new friends. It means when they on daily basis they change their place, they make the new friends. A menu plan is displayed on the notice board outside the principal's office. It tells the children what they get to eat on each day of the week. It means students get to know which dish they want and which dish they get on which day. Special dishes are served on important days like Independence Day and Diwali. Eating together in boarding school. So, what are boarding school? Some students study in school where they live as well. Such school are called boarding school. Means we go to school on the daily basis, but some students are not go to the school on the daily basis. They live on that school. That type of schools are called boarding school. Students sit together in a large dining hall called hostel mess to have their meal. They have fixed times for their meals. Like in your school, you all have the fixed time to break, lunch break, and same way in the boarding school, they have fixed time for their meals. The hostel warden and house master supervise to ensure that the students eat properly. It means it is the duty of the hostel warden to check the students they eat the food properly or not. So it is all about the topic eating together. Thank you.